Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join TikTok affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, if you're on PC or mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in join TikTok affiliate program. After that, you will see some search results coming up on your screen. Here you're going to scroll down and make sure you navigate to this site, that is getstarted.tiktok.com/affiliates. Affiliate program TikTok for business. Click on this site and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, click on join now. After you click on join now, you will be promoted to another page that says join the TikTok for business affiliate program. Click on sign up on this page and you will see registration, that is $0, and payout details for your actions. Here what you're going to do is simply scroll at the bottom of this page and click on accept button. After you click on accept, you'll be promoted to sign up and start earning with your TikTok business account. So you have the option to sign up with Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter and LinkedIn. You can also sign in with impact.com. So if you want to sign up, select your language at the top right corner and click on sign up with email. After you click on sign up with email, enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your username, enter your email, add a password to your account, enter your mobile number, select I have read and accept the partner user agreement. Now enter your mobile number in this field and click on get started. After you click on get started, you will see a verification code at your email that you would have entered in these fields. So what you're going to do is navigate to your email and note down the verification code received and type in that verification code in these fields and click on verify. After you click on verify, you will see this page. Here you'll have to enter what is your primary business model. So my primary business model will be content or reviews. You can scroll down and select any option that you want and click on continue. After I click on continue, I'll be promoted to this page where I'll have to answer which method do I use to promote my product or service. So I will choose add website. Now I can add via Google Analytics or enter a website manually. If you don't have any, click on the cross icon at the top left. You can also add your social media, mobile app, podcast, email newsletter or add offline. So I'm going to add social and choose Instagram. Click on continue and log into Facebook. You can also add your YouTube. In order to do that, select YouTube in this section. Select the email account that is connected with your YouTube and click on continue. Click on allow. After that, you'll have to click on continue. Now, tell whether you are an individual or company. So I'm going to select individual. Here you'll have to enter your account display name, select your country or region, enter your mailing address, your city, your postal code and click on submit and click on OK. After you click on OK, as you can see, I'm logged into impact.com. Here I can join the impact.com marketplace by clicking on get started, select upgrade terms and conditions and click on next. Now you'll have to enter your tax information. So I'm going to select I'm not registered for indirect tax and click on save. You can also click on return to account and come here back to marketplace for TikTok. As you can see at the top left corner, I'm signed up for TikTok business account. So currently my application with TikTok affiliate program is still under review. I will receive an email once a decision has been made. If I'll have any questions while I'm waiting, I will have to contact TikTok AP team here. So click on here and you'll be promoted to your mail where you can contact TikTok support and ask any questions. So that's how you join TikTok affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.